Magandang buhay and welcome to my daily vlog. So here we went to a family staycation. This is the room. Yun, that's my sisters, my pamangkins. This is Domicilio Lorenzo. It's located in Huna Subdivision. As you can see, the place looks really nice. No corkage yung food nila. You can ask them na you want to use their kitchen. You can cook in their kitchen. And, super nice talaga ng place, and ang ganda-ganda ng experience ko dito. The staffs are very nice, very accommodating. Ang gaganda talaga ng pictures. No, out of words ako while I'm talking. And they also have free breakfast here. So yung sa swimming pool kasama na yung sa room. So no add-ons na siya, and the breakfast as well. This is the garden view. And this is the pool. They have like for kids and for adults, but if you have kids like lower than like 5 years old yung age, I highly recommend you have like a lifeguard. Ay, yung parang life vest. Para hindi, kasi medyo malalim yung room for kids. This is their garden view. They have a very nice garden. Maraming nagpiprenup dito. That's what I know. Actually, walking from the garden and then to the pool, the room that I have a book is on the pool side, malapit lang sa pool, of course. Enjoy ko yung pool. But they have a lot of rooms. May garden view, may pool view, tsaka may rooms sa taas with balcony. And, I'm walking papunta sa room namin. And if you have questions, you just have to visit their FB page. It's Domicilio Lorenzo. Again, the room that I have is around 2,800 to 2,900. Sometimes may mga promos pa sila, so you can check it. And that's the room. They have a nice CR, kitchen, TV, blah. That's it. Bye.